back to my channel. So today we went all out, baby. We went all out, baby, and that's on period, mamas. So okay guys, so I'm doing this, but bro, I'm dumb smack right now, and let's pray this is going right. Do you see these? I don't really like doing my eyebrows on camera because I don't know. I don't know, for some reason, like when I'm like drawing my eyebrows, I make them huge, like Benta, relax. I don't really give curves to my eyebrows because I don't have an arch, so I don't feel like creating one. Bro. Bro. I just made a mistake and I know I'm about to be tight. Y'all see this thing right here, right, bro? So now I'm gonna go in with this Juvia's Place palette. And I'm gonna go in this shade right here. I didn't really put a white base on. I just have my concealer. And excuse me. So this is just a shadow without anything enhancing it except for like the concealer that's already on my eye. Bro, I'm clapped. But yeah, how is the coronavirus treating ya? Because right now we in quarantine. I mean, I like it. I don't like it at all. Like, I didn't really consider myself much of an outside person, but let me tell you, I think I'm mixy, man. I honestly think I'm mad mixy because I should not miss outside this much. Like, the most outside I've been was going to Walmart to get essentials. Like, I'm tired of it. Like, I just really want to go outside, honestly. I'm gonna go in this shade right here and a little bit of this shade. This shade is low-key non-existent, but I'm about to make it exist. So I just scraped that off, and yeah. So let me tell you guys how Corona ruined my senior year. Because like, I'm angry, I'm flabbergasted, I'm all those feelings and more. Like, I don't even, bro, y'all don't even know how I feel right now. Like, I was ready to take my senior picture, feel me? Like, I was ready for everything. I even had like a theme, an idea, everything. Then I got off work the other day, like 2 weeks ago, and like, I got an email from my school president saying like, because of the virus, like, students have to move out and stuff like that. I'm just like, wait, what? And it's like, yeah, classes will be remotely now. Bro, I was so mad. I still am pissed, like, very, very pissed, because like, it's my senior year, you know? Like, bro, this is making me mad. Cassandra! Come here! Never mind. So I'm eating mad. If you're African, you know this. My roommate is moving stuff around. Yes guys, I finally have a roommate after 4 years of not having a roommate, but it's great. I like her. Well, we were friends prior to being roommates, but yeah, I love her. She make me laugh. She called me a crackhead, and I'm dead not a crackhead, but bro, what? Oh, look at this, bro. Don't do drugs, because what? Look at my eyeshadow. This girl forgot to close my door. But guys, I'm so hungry. I'm gonna go make mac and cheese. Bro, this mac and cheese. Guys, I'm scared to line this. We're using this brush. Maybe it'll fit me. So I went in with the Saharan blush palette. Just like that. Going over my contour. I want to recreate this look on somebody. But yeah, like we were told to hurry up and go home, and like personally I'm still in school because, well, I'm from New York, and the way the Rona is out there is like it's clipbo, and plus I'm considered a essential worker, so my job will be open back up soon. But like yeah, like I've been so sad because I didn't get to say bye to most of my friends. Like that's the part that like pissed me off the most, not being like able to say bye to your people. And now we're not sure if we're having graduation or not. It's just like, I don't know how people feel about it, but I know that I'm hurt, being that like graduation is supposed to be in May. Like I'm hurt. I wanted to go to so many events. I wanted to do so many shit. But that's why this summer, bro, I'm outside. I don't know about y'all, but my middle name is outside this summer. Bintale, Tata Bantale. I went outside, mamas. So okay guys, this is the final look for this video. I hope you guys like it. If you really like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share, and support. We out here. We're creating content better and better and better. And if you fuck with this look, ooh, if you like this look, give it a thumbs up. Okay?